Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best egg poachers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Eggssentials 2 Cup Egg Poacher. We recently tried out the Eggssentials 2 Cup Egg Poacher and were impressed with its ease of use. The included instructions made poaching eggs a breeze, even for those who have never done it before. The stainless steel construction felt sturdy and durable, and we appreciated that it doubled as a regular cooking pan for added versatility in the kitchen. However, we did notice that the handle could get a bit too hot during use, so it's important to use oven mitts or a towel when handling it. Additionally, the non-stick coating on the egg cups may wear off over time, so it's important to handle them with care. Finally, with only 2 egg cups, it's not the best choice for larger groups. Overall, the Eggssentials 2 Cup Egg Poacher is a great choice for those looking for a durable and versatile egg poacher that can also be used as a regular cooking pan. Just be sure to handle it with care and use oven mitts or a towel to protect your hands from the hot handle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mikim Silicone Egg Poacher Cups 4-pack. We recently tried out the Mikim Silicone Egg Poacher Cups and were pleasantly surprised by how easy they were to use. The cups are made of high-quality, food-grade silicone material that is both durable and eco-friendly. We also love the specially designed ringed bases, which made the cups steady on any kitchen surface. Using the cups as a breeze, simply grease them with oil, crack an egg into each cup, and place them in a pot of boiling water or in the microwave. We found that the eggs cooked perfectly in just 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how runny you like your yolks. Cleaning the cups is also a breeze. Just flip them over and wash them or toss them in the dishwasher. We also appreciated the included silicone oil brush, which made greasing the cups even easier. Overall, we highly recommend the Mikim Silicone Egg Poacher Cups for anyone looking for an easy and versatile way to make perfect poached eggs every time. At number 3, we have the Eggssentials 2 Indiana 1 Egg Pan and Egg Poacher Pan. If you're looking for an all-in-one egg cooking solution, the Eggssentials 2 Indiana 1 Egg Pan and Egg Poacher Pan is a great option. With its dual functionality and non-stick surface, this pan can handle a variety of egg dishes without any hassle. Overall, the Eggssentials 2 Indiana 1 Egg Pan and Egg Poacher Pan is a great option for those who love eggs and want a versatile cooking solution. The non-stick surface and easy-to-clean design make it a convenient choice for busy mornings, while the dual functionality allows for more variety in your egg dishes. If you're in the market for a new egg pan, this is definitely one to consider. At number 2, we have the Eggssentials Non-Stick Easy-Use Rust-Resistant Home Kitchen Breakfast Brunch Induction Cooktop Egg Poacher. If you're looking for an egg poacher that is easy to use and clean, the Eggssentials Non-Stick Egg Poacher is a great choice. This egg poacher is constructed in stainless steel, making it durable and rust-resistant. The stay-cool handle and knob make it easy to handle, even when the pan is hot. The non-stick coated egg cups make it easy to extract the eggs, and they are also easy to clean. One downside of this egg poacher is that the handle for the egg cups sits over a vent hole, which means the handles are constantly hit by steam and can get hot. Additionally, the cups sit inside a ring that is not coated, so eggs can stick to it. Finally, the pan is not compatible with all cooktops, so make sure to check before purchasing. Overall, if you're looking for an easy-to-use and durable egg poacher, the Eggssentials Non-Stick Egg Poacher is a great choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cozilife Egg Poacher. We've found that the Cozilife Egg Poacher is a great addition to any kitchen. It's easy to use and makes perfect poached eggs every time. The silicone is high quality and durable, and we appreciate that it's also eco-friendly and non-toxic. We also love that it's multifunctional and can be used for other cooking purposes. One thing to keep in mind is that the egg poacher may not fit all pan sizes, so you may need to experiment to find the right size. Additionally, you may need to adjust the cooking time to get the perfect poached egg consistency. Finally, the egg poacher may take up some space in your kitchen, so keep that in mind if you have limited counter space. Overall, we highly recommend the COZILIFE Egg Poacher for anyone looking for an easy and efficient way to cook poached eggs. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.